Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to discuss Windows Copilot Overview. Windows Copilot is a built-in feature available directly in Windows 11 designed to provide intelligent assistance by integrating system functionality with Bing Chat and third-party plugins. Key features of Windows Copilot: PC settings integration. Change Windows settings by simply asking Copilot. No need to navigate through menus, just use natural language commands. App launching. Ask Copilot to open Microsoft apps, example, Word, Excel, Outlook. Third-party apps installed on your PC. File interaction. Copilot can help with your files by summarizing documents, rewriting content, transcribing audio files into text. Bing Chat integration. Get instant answers to your questions directly through Copilot. Uses the power of Bing Chat to provide contextual, web-sourced responses. Plugin support for developers. Developers can create custom plugins to extend Copilot's functionality, integrate their own apps and services into the Copilot experience. GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot is your AI pair programmer. It helps us to turn the natural languages prompt into coding suggestions. It works with the dozens of the languages. It was integrated directly to your preferred IDE. It supports a wide range of programming languages and works directly within your preferred IDE. Simply describe what you want to build, and GitHub Copilot will generate the code for you. Originally, it was available from 2021. It was one of the first Copilot tools released, and it's now generally available to developers worldwide. When you start coding, like writing a new function, Copilot automatically suggests completions, helping streamline your workflow. According to Microsoft Analytics, it can help developers code up to 55% faster. You may also hear about GitHub Copilot X, the next generation of the original Copilot. While the original version was powered by OpenAI's Codex model, Copilot X leverages GPT-4, offering more advanced features like generating documentation, writing unit test functions, and times creating AI-generated pull request descriptions to boost code quality. GitHub Copilot and Copilot X are here to enhance developer productivity, making coding faster, smarter, and more intuitive. Last but not least, let's explore Bing Chat Enterprise. Bing Chat Enterprise offers the same features as Bing Chat, but with an important difference: enterprise-grade commercial data protection. That means any data you share or exchange during a chat isn't saved, isn't used to train the AI model, and most importantly, is not accessible to Microsoft. Unlike Microsoft 365 Copilot, Bing Chat Enterprise doesn't connect to your Microsoft 365 data. It simply offers general AI-powered answers using the GPT-4 model, similar to Bing Chat or ChatGPT, but with strict privacy boundaries in place. When your organization has Bing Chat Enterprise enabled, it's easy to spot. You'll see a clear enterprise label, the Bing Chat Enterprise logo, and a green protected checkmark in the upper right corner of the chat window. There's also a message displayed in the chat saying, "Your personal and company data are protected in this chat." Now, to clear up some common confusion, here's a quick comparison. Times Bing Chat is a free web-based AI chatbot powered by GPT-4, available to anyone with a Microsoft account. Times Bing Chat Enterprise uses the same GPT-4 model but adds commercial data protection and is included with certain Microsoft 365 licenses. Times Microsoft 365 Copilot, also GPT-4 powered, is the only one that connects to your organization's Microsoft 365 data via Microsoft Graph, allowing it to generate contextual responses using your files, emails, meetings, and more. It's offered as a separate add-on license. Thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate your time and attention. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates. Start your journey today with www.crmonce.com.